ride there had a lot of grass in the skeg, and it is all over. And I just pulled off my skid plates, and oh my god, is it ever packed up under there. It is bad. That is completely full. Like, oh, I'm gonna get the quad out to the driveway and rinse the rest off. Holy man, this is gonna take me a while to clean. This is just brutal. I'll just have some fun. Well, progress report. We got about, what do you figure? It's got to be at least 10 pounds right sitting right there. I still got a lot more. You know these things? I don't know if they really help me. It packed in so bad behind. I still have a crap to take out of there, but I couldn't even get to the nut on the other side. Get that Allen key off for that Allen bolt, so I can get the rest of the stuff that's sitting down in there. Oh, it's just packed in everywhere, and this is just the front, and I still have the back to do. This side's looking a little better. Still got, see, it's packed in places like, it's unreal, not real. Update. Here's the rear. Oh yeah. You can see a whole bunch of it's on the ground already from right around the frame where I blasted it off. It is everywhere. Yummy. Oh, and another thing I found out, which is not good. Right there. Fingers up. Yeah, there's supposed to be a vent tube there. That got ripped off. It's supposed to attach right here and then go up to my snorkels. So that rear diff is going to be full of water. Absolutely full of water. Troy. Alright, who's ready for some milky fluid? Because I am. Oh, it's actually not that bad. I thought for sure it'd be really milky. Thanks. Still kind of royal purpley. I'm really surprised actually, because the diff hose on my last ride decided to pop off, so I thought for sure this thing would have been full of water, but hey, you know what? That's good. I'm glad. I am glad. I'd rather it be this than full of water. And since while I'm in here, I might just do a little bit of maintenance. This has been leaking. It's my my shift linkage, my transmission, and the bottom gasket. I don't know, maybe when I put it on, I pinched it or it got kinked or something. It leaks ever so slightly, but you know, it makes a mess and drips on the ground. So, and it was a pain in the butt to get to with the exhaust in the way. But now that the exhaust is out, easy to get to. So it's just a simple gasket, replace it, bing, bang, boom, done. All right, it's time to install the Dyno Jet and the auto tune. This Dyno Jet's super easy to install. Literally, you just unplug factory harnesses and plug these in, and there's a ground. And then there's some ports for the auto tune to plug into, and then there's another receptacle there. Ooh. Oh, never mind. Auto tune, a couple wires, and then there's a plug that goes in between the two, which is in here. Super easy. And then the O2 sensor, which plugs into, I don't know, something over there. I'll figure it all out. It's supposed to be pretty straightforward. I hope. How hard can it be? I've rebuilt the motor. It's a little bit of electronics. Well, I'm gonna pitter patter. I was thinking people probably don't want to watch me install the Dyno Jet, but for somebody that is installing the Dyno Jet, this is hella easy. So, let me see if I can do this. Okay, so we got our wires. Just gonna go ahead and feed them down there. Oops. Move exhaust out of the way. Alright. So, here we go. Okay, need some light on this situation. Alright, so right here, this plug right here, that is for your fuel injector. Is there no way I can set this up? There we go. So you want to take the factory and plug it into this. Oh, hold on, before I do that, I gotta get some dielectric grease. I go in water, so I want a little bit of the good stuff up in there. I'm not too stingy with it. I'll just orientate it. Clip. A little bit on this side. I like this dielectric grease because it's aerosol. I don't have to squish a nasty bottle all the time or nasty tube. And then this will plug it right back into the factory location. There we go. There we go. And this will get fed to the other side. I think I should be able to get those from the other side. All right, and on this side, it's gonna be hard to show here. This is why filming costs so much money. You have people doing things and getting all the shots just perfect. So right here is your throttle position sensor. So I already went and not unplugged it, but loosened it off. So that was easy for me to just go like so. So there's the factory throttle position wire. Now it already has, it has a little bit of dielectric grease. I'll get some more on it. Do-do-do. Don't mind me. Just gonna put some dielectric grease on my stuff here. I don't know if you can see me, but so that white plug, this one here, that will clip into the factory wiring harness, and then the one from the Dyno Jet will plug back into the throttle body. But before we do that, come on! Beauty. In the manual, they have the air box off, I'm pretty sure, because that's the way the picture's taken. It's taken from above. My air box is a little bit hard to take off because I got my intake or my rad relocate. Holy mother.
I got my rad relocate, and then I have silicone glue around my throttle body to prevent water from getting in. Oh my god. Okay, this might be a little bit difficult. Okay. Why do they have to put the throttle position sensor like this? Now I can't even reach the friggin' plug. Oh, there we go. Gotta get the satisfactory click. Oh yeah, there it is. That one right there. There we go. There, that's installed. Done. Oh wait, ground wire, but that's whatever. I'll do that later. Like my light rigging. Just jam my cell phone into some stuff there. Excuse me. Okay, I'll get back to you on the Dyno Jet auto tune thingy. All right. I'm going to follow these handy dandy instructions so I can install this harness. This end plugs into this end for the O2 sensor. So these wires need to make their way into the auto tune module. Oh, it's just a chaos of wires right now. I wonder if these pre-loosened for me or not. Oh, it's already labeled on there. White, gray, black, yellow, red, blue. White, gray, black, yellow, red. Like that. Okay, well, those give me a little bit of trouble, but for the most part, not too bad. I've had worse.